Well, okay. You just give me a call if somehow,
Oh,
someday...
hold on. I promise you, we're going to see some amazing stuff soon.
Uh-huh. Okay, play my conference.
Equals a non-nullable mass with gauged bosons of...
An elevator in the middle of a mall. Isn't that amazing?
What's amazing is that I haven't fired you yet, John.
Oh, please, wait. Let's try with another one.
3 hours later.
bosons W and boson Z, which will confer upon them...
What these humans have simply not yet understood concerning the Higgs boson equation is that the rabbit...
John, you might end up surprising me after all.
Oh, well, this is exactly what I planned.
is to conduct experiments on humans!
Don't get at me right now, I swear to God.